Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try something new, something which I never cooked before. Just got this recipe from my friend and I'm just going to follow the steps and let's see if I can cook it to perfection or what mistake can happen. Let's find out at the end of our show. Today I'm going to try caramel custard. So first I'll prepare the caramel and then I'll show how to prepare the custard. So to begin with, take your vessel, turn on the heat on a very low flame, then add sugar. I've taken like 7 to 8 teaspoons of sugar. Then I'm adding little bit of water, just like two spoon of water to help the sugar melt, and then keep stirring it on a very low flame. Just keep stirring it. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes I've been doing like this and I just see sugar started to melt now. So I have to keep doing this until all the sugar is melted, and then the syrup should start turning to light brown color. So the sugar is melting now, so I'm not going to stir anymore. So I'm going to swirl the vessel like this to help sugar melt evenly. So I'll be doing this until the syrup turns light brown in color, and then our caramel will be ready. So looks like our caramel is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat, and now I'm going to add our caramel to the vessel which we will be using to prepare the custard. Add a little bit. Spread it evenly over the entire surface and then we can keep it aside. Now let's get started with the custard preparation. In a mixer jar, add half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and also I've taken 4 eggs. I'm going to add it in the mixture, and we have to blend this now. So I have blended it now, and now we can add milk. I'm going to add 3 cups of milk. And again in the mixer grinder I'm going to blend it. I've blended it now. Now I'm going to filter it for any residues. Now we can add it in our custard bowl. Now this is ready to be baked. I'm going to preheat the oven to 320 Fahrenheit or 150 degrees centigrade. Once it is ready, we can keep it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. So I've kept it. And then close it. Set the timer for 40 minutes. So it's been 50 minutes. I took out the tray from the oven. Now we can use a stick to see if our custard is cooked properly. Yeah, it looks clean. Yes, this as well. So I'm going to leave it like this for some more time, let it cool, and after that I'll keep it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. I just took it out of refrigerator. I'll just open it. Then just with a sharp knife, just cut on these sides. Wow, our caramel started coming out. Okay. Use a plate carefully. Tap it gently. Ooh, there's our caramel custard. Going to try the second one now. So there's our caramel custard. Just enjoy it. This is really good. Yeah, tastes really good. Yeah, please give a try, and thanks for watching.